not great for a transaction as a high volume transaction system. It is very good for engineered scarcity, kind of like gold or something like that. In fact, I think it was originally called BitGold in the evolution of idea. So that seems to be where its main use is. I guess there is some talk of like the Lightning Network on top of Bitcoin.
I think to do our part, this is part of what today is all about. We want to break news on X. And I think more and more companies and people will break news on X. So hence ARKB. But also you want it to be the everything app. And I know on this call, there are a lot of people who have a strong view about how quickly you'd be able to proliferate that throughout the world with Bitcoin as part of the infrastructure.
Yeah, I'm open to the idea of using Bitcoin. I mean, it's like I said, it's of the various things that I think about Bitcoin very little. But I've thought about monetary systems a lot and the actual practicalities of exchanging money, or its money is really just data, information in a database. And it basically, money is an information system for labor allocation. So, but most people think of money as having power in and of itself, but you can obviously run some basic thought experiments and say, if you have $8 trillion on it, you know, you're marooned on an island, it's useless because there's no labor to allocate. You only once you have some complexity and, you have people with different skills, then you need sort of an information system for labor allocation and to shift obligations across time. But it's remarkable how many people think money has power in and of itself, because that is their experience, certainly in any advanced economy. For example, if you were to say like, let's spend more money on healthcare. I'm like, okay, well, you can't instantaneously change the number of doctors. Doctors take roughly 30 years to, for a new doctor, a baby to be born and ultimately be educated and become a doctor. You can't just throw money at a system and suddenly have, get doctors from a magic doctor factory.